Welcome to Month 5. This is where you step up from Tier 1 into real endpoint administration. Today we'll see how device management moved from the old on-prem world into the cloud, and then we'll meet Microsoft Intune, the tool you'll be using every single day from here on. By the end you'll know what Intune is, where it fits, and how to find your way around the admin center. Let's start with what you probably already know. Traditional management means a Windows PC joined to an on-premises Active Directory domain. Settings come down through group policy, and the machine was built from an image someone crafted by hand. It works, but it quietly assumes the device is sitting on the corporate network. That assumption breaks the moment people work from home. Modern management flips all of that. Instead of relying on the corporate network, the device is managed from the cloud, over the internet, from anywhere on Earth. Settings, apps, and security all flow down from a cloud service. That means the laptop at someone's kitchen table is just as manageable as the one in the office. This is the world MD102 is built around. Microsoft Intune is the engine of modern management. It's Microsoft's cloud service for managing both devices and apps, and it handles Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. It sits inside the wider Microsoft 365 family, right next to Entra ID and Defender. The jobs you used to do by hand, or with group policy, Intune now does from one console in the cloud. Two terms you'll hear constantly. MDM, Mobile Device Management, manages the whole device, think a company laptop fully enrolled. MAM, Mobile Application Management, protects only company data inside specific apps, without managing the whole device, think a personal phone where only the work email is locked down. Knowing which one applies tells you how much control you actually have. The console you'll live in is the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. At intune.microsoft.com on the left you'll find the key sections: devices, where every enrolled device lives; apps, what you deploy; endpoint security, for baselines and Defender; and reports. Honestly, one device's own page, showing its hardware, compliance, and applied policies, answers most of the Tier 2 questions you'll get. Enrollment is the moment a device registers with Intune so it can receive policies and report its state back. This is fundamental. Without enrollment, there's simply no management relationship, and Intune can't push anything. So when someone says a policy isn't applying, your very first question is often, is this device actually enrolled and checking in? You'd be surprised how often that's the whole answer. Here's why this month matters for your career. The job title is Endpoint Administrator, and the certification that proves it is MD102. As you move from Tier 1 to Tier 2, you stop just resetting passwords and start owning real device configuration, app delivery, and compliance. Everything we do this month maps directly onto that role and that exam. Let's recap. Device management has moved from the on-prem domain world into the cloud, and Intune is the engine that drives it. MDM manages whole devices, MAM just protects app data, and enrollment is what creates the management relationship in the first place. Your task before the next lesson: sign into the Intune Admin Center, open the device's blade, pick any enrolled device, and write down 3 facts about it: its compliance state, its OS version, and one policy applied to it. See you next time.